like your favorite browser just got better. Again. Meet the latest updates to Gemini and Chrome, like a new side panel for more browsing and less toggling. Recall the sites you visited and chats you had. And get simple, personally relevant answers to your complex questions. Work with other Google apps like Gmail from the side panel.
It's like that.
Without switching tabs. Make progress on your plans with Auto Browse to assist you with routine tasks that normally slow you down. From finding and applying discount codes to adding items to your cart, Gemini and Chrome can handle it, keeping you in the loop. With security protections in place on the browser you trust. Keep track of new updates from Chrome.